picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yo.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shirt for Roblox in Pixlr. Okay, so first go to pixlr.com and then go to Pixlr. And you should be here. Open another tab, and if you don't have the clothing template, you can just search up clothing template for Roblox, and then it should be looking something like this. And yeah, so you have to click on whatever one you want, it doesn't matter, and then right click and save image as, and then save it to wherever you want. Once you have it saved, go back to Pixlr, press open image, and click on your template. So now for the pattern, you don't have to do a pattern, you can just like use a random color, but if you want to use a pattern for it, go to Pinterest and then search up whatever pattern like you want. So I'm going to do a plaid pattern. And just find the one that you want. I'm going to be using this one, and then right click and save image as, and then save it, and then go back to Pixlr and then press layer, add image as layer, and then put in your pattern. So once you have it, it should look something like this. So just size it down and then move it to right here, and then you can crop it by taking this little select tool right here and dragging your mouse, and then once it's right here, press clear on your keyboard, and then just crop it to whatever size you want it to be. I like doing it like about here so that it's cropped, but you don't have to. Okay, so now take the selector tool and drag it down to about like halfway, and then press edit, copy, and edit, paste. And then take this press that little button, and then it should be right here. And then just move it to like right here. Make sure that it lines up with the other one. And then take this one, and then take the selector tool and then drag it to cover the whole thing, and then press edit, copy, and edit, paste, and then click on this little tool and then drag it up here, and then paste it again and drag it over here, and then take that one and actually take the tool and then go like that and press copy, and then press paste, and then take this tool right here and bring it over here. So now if you're making this is how to make a cardigan, obviously, like the title says. So yeah, so take your eraser this time. Actually no, take the arrange tool and click on this front one, and then take the eraser tool and where it says brush, click on the this one right here, and then arrange the size to around 58, and then make sure it's like lined up in the middle, like about right there, I would say, and then just click, and then it should be like that. So then once that's there, take the brush and do this one right here, and then bring it down to like 63. Okay, and then make sure that it is this way and not any other way, because it won't work. So then just do it right there. And then if you want to add a button, you can go to the this tool right here, and then select what color you want out of your thing, out of your shirt for your button. I'm going to be doing this color. So now just click on the brush and then go to 5, and then you can just click right here for your button. So now that you have that, click on this, and then click on this, and then go to erase, and go to the square, and then size it to however you did this this one. I did 58. Okay, so you just have to take this and just size it right here, and that goes right there. So now if you want sleeves to your cardigan, you can just, if you want it to be the pattern, then you can just do the steps that I'm doing without the pattern, but I'm going to do it with the color. So you just click on whatever color you want your sleeves to be with the selector tool, and then just go like that with the marquee selector, and go to fill, just click in it, and then it should look like this. So now you're done. So you can go down, go right here, and unselect the background. So now it should look something like this, and then go to File, Save, and then name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna say plaid cardigan, and then make sure the file type is PNG or else it will not upload right here, and then download. So once it's downloaded, go to Roblox and go to your group that you want, and then go to Store, Create, and go to Shirt right here, and choose your file that you saved it to, and then you can upload it. So there, if you want to change the price, go to Configure, and you can change the name and the description, and you can do item for sale and then save, and you can change the price to it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment them down below.